Hi there, Dr. Rajiv Iyer here from IMG Secrets, coming with the experience of coaching and mentoring hundreds of IMGs like you. In this video, I'm going to tell you who is eligible to apply as an IMG under the new Tennessee law. Let's do this together. The first requirement is you need to have 3 years of experience in a particular field out of the last 5 years. Or you must have completed your PG training of 3 years from your home country. Now, if I read the first one, which is 3 out of 5 years, does this mean even fresh graduates are eligible to apply? Because many people actually work in a specialty after MBBS or medical school without doing any PG. What do you think? Comment below. Well, in my opinion, it looks like these candidates must also be eligible to apply under the new Tennessee law. In fact, we have been starting to mentor some of these candidates to see what happens, and we are helping with their application at present to see if they get successful in getting this 2 years of training through which they can get a full state license in the state of Tennessee. How fantastic this is. The other requirement is, yes, ideally you must have completed your USMLE steps. This is USMLE step 1, step 2 and OET and BECFMG certified. In my opinion, you're also better off completing USMLE step 3 because that tells the program you have done something over and beyond which normally a person would do. Now, an article from a reputed medical journal that speaks about this Tennessee law says these IMGs would be getting an H-1B. But in my opinion, it could either be an H-1B or a J-1. I mean, it would be hard to say the hospitals would only sponsor an H-1B. But either ways, I think you should still be okay if you get a position. The hospital where you should be applying to should have an ACG accredited program. This is because these programs have the ability and the bandwidth to have many of these IMGs from out of system. This position would be a supervised position and is expected to last for 2 years. Now, even though the hospital may have an ACG accredited residency, you would still not be considered a resident. So this to me is very similar to alternate entry path program where the hospitals have the flexibility to structure how the candidate has to go through the alternate entry path options. The other thing is there is no specialty restriction for the law. So meaning you can get into any specialty. There is no geographic restrictions, at least in the state of Tennessee, for these IMGs who come through this new law. In fact, the policymakers are thinking of paying money to the hospital to encourage them to hire these IMGs because ultimately they want to make sure there is no shortages of doctors, which is ongoing right now, plus our patients, which is the most important thing for us as doctors, get timely and high quality, safe care. Making sense? If you belong to any of these categories, you should be looking to apply to the state of Tennessee. Plus, there are other states which are easing regulations as well. Not sure how to go about your application? Not a problem. You can go to our website, book an appointment with me or one of our experts who can then mentor you through your application to all these positions and help you increase your chances of getting successful. I have left a video here where I've talked about in addition to the state of Tennessee. I encourage you to check them out. Any questions, do post in the comments below. We try to get back to you as soon as feasible. Take care, stay safe. I will talk to you soon.